dipyn o pnawn yma, so tîm League Cwpan yn dod yma i chwarae ni a crowd mowr yma a cael win a troi yn y crown, so mae hogi ar change rooms yn buzzing yma, so diolch yn fawr.
Da chi'n di sgorio trwy tymor, tan heddiw, disgrifiwch y gol yna i ni.
So mae'r hogi a ddim yn deithio yn change rooms, bod fi dy'r unig un outfield players wedi sgorio season yma, so hen bryd, a si eisiau gweld y keeper yn rolio allan efo, a dwi'n meddwl, dwi'n amdani taclo yma, diolch i wedi mynd mewn i'r gol, so na gymryd wbeth adeg yma season.
I don't think we turned up today, to be fair. The prep was fine, the travel up yesterday was good. I just think, as soon as our whistle went today, we just didn't turn up. To be fair to Bangor, they made it a tough place to come, especially with the crowd, and they made a great occasion of it, so I can't fault them. They were deserved winners on the day.
We've deserved what's happened today. I think the first 10 minutes we didn't start very well. Managed to get a bit of a lucky goal, but we'll take that in a quarter-final of a cup. And then they put on us, to be fair. Disappointed with the goal we conceded, but as you say, things just keep getting better, and what they're producing in there is unbelievable week in, week out.
We'll dissect today, we'll watch it back, we'll go back to training Monday, then Wednesday, and we'll jump straight back into Ammanford next week. It's a huge game for the club, and promotion is now what we need to do.
You won the Welsh Cup 3 times. You know what the Welsh Cup means to Bangor. 4th time?
Possibly. I'd go as far as saying if it did happen this year, then it'd be the best one. Because all the adversity last season and what happened, and I was very, very lucky to keep my job. I'm under no illusions with that. I'm just glad that things did get stuck with us. And the work the backroom staff are doing behind the scenes as well. I just think that all of the players deserve it, and so does every one of those as well.